Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about external draft packages. Sending a draft package is a great way to stay organized and communicate clearly with your team and your clients. So you can access all things content planning by using the social media tab and then coming over to this planning icon on the left-hand side menu. Now let's come to this client review icon on the far right-hand side of this top toolbar. Here you will see all of your previous draft packages that you've created, so you never have to worry about losing any of your work. In an existing draft package, you'll be able to see the status of that package. You'll be able to see the pending posts, the approved posts, and the rejected posts. You can also add more drafts to this bundle, or you can use this three-dot icon to edit the details, delete it, or use this share icon to get quick access to that link or send it as an email. Now let's talk about how to create a new bundle. I'm going to click this Add Bundle icon, type in the name of my bundle, briefly type in a bundle description, and then click Add Bundle. Now you can see that we have a new bundle on the left-hand side menu. Now I want to add content into this bundle to send to Steven. So I'm going to click this Add Drafts to Bundle icon, and this window will open up where I can add different posts by using this circle icon in the top left corner. I'm going to select the different posts that I want to add, and then click Add Drafts. This window will now open up where you have your bundle name, your bundle description. Now you have a link to this bundle, which anyone can click and be brought to the review page, which I will show you in a minute. And you also have this Send Email option. If I toggle this on, I'll actually be able to add emails directly into this, click Send, and the person will receive a link to my bundle right in their inbox. I'm going to show you what this bundle link will look like, so we're going to click this option to open it in a new tab. And this is what your client will see when you send them that link. They'll see the title of the bundle, they'll see the description, and then they'll see the different posts. They'll be able to see the post exactly how it will look on the social media platform, and then they'll have the option to either reject or approve. So let's say they approve this. Now there's only one pending, one approved, and 0 rejected. Let's say we reject this one here. Your client can then type in a comment about why they're rejecting this. Let's say this is Steven who's doing this, and he can now say reject draft. Now I'm going to return to my home page, and I can see now that the status of this bundle has changed. So there's no longer any pending posts. There's one post that has been approved by Steven, and there's one post that has been rejected by Steve. Now let's say I have a team member working back on my drafts. They're looking at the rejected column, and they click this here. They see that there's a comment left by Steven that says, can we change the background color? Now my team member can take this, quickly redesign the background color, and then send it back to Steven to get approval. This is just one example of how the workflow can really help you seamlessly communicate with people outside of your team and with people within your team. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other videos to see how Simplified's content calendar can help you every step of the way with social media. See you there.